Good morning and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Guess what? We're going on a flight again. Today we're going on Emirates, Boeing 777 from Newcastle to Dubai and then connecting in Dubai and going on to Bangkok. Look at this RAF plane that just landed. Wow. So just had the compulsory pint at the bar and about to head down to the gate. So that's our aircraft. It's a Boeing 777-300ER, ER for extended range.
That's great, thanks very much. Beautiful, that's great, thanks guys.
As you can see, the engines have started up and we're having the safety briefing on the screens, and the air stewardesses will be doing their little dance shortly. Mina will be taking off and heading to Dubai very, very soon. And in my opinion, Emirates has the best seatback TVs and the best in-flight entertainment. That is the size, and I've got small hands, that is the size of the screen. It is awesome. As a comparison, that's an iPhone 15 Pro Max, so the biggest iPhone you can get. And as you can see, it's about 4 times the size, maybe a bit more. So we've just been handed the menu for today's flight, and we've got potato salad with chives as an appetizer, shahi chicken korma, I don't know what shahi means, but shahi chicken korma, or seared salmon fish cake, and then for dessert we're going to have sticky toffee delice, a chocolate. And yeah, then we'll have something, a snack before landing. So here we go, we've got the chicken korma. I've had a quick try of it, really nice. A potato salad, cheesecake and cheese and biscuits. A bun, bottle of water and a drink. So I've opted to have a Jack Daniels to go with my Coke. Yum. Ooh, and hidden underneath, I didn't see this, a Belgium chocolate chunk cookie. So we're about halfway there. So you can see we're heading towards Egypt. The lights have dimmed and the stars have come out. So here we are. We have started our descent into Dubai and we'll be there in about 20 minutes. Because we're like kind of halfway through and I forgot to tell you. Forward-facing camera is a little bit out of focus, but there is our runway.
clear doors for arrival at Belgium.
So in typical fashion, the gate that we're flying from Dubai to Bangkok is the furthest gate away from the one we landed at. So all in all, it works out about a mile between gates. Yay! So we've got about a quarter of a mile to go. What fun! So tonight's flight is on that big beast there, which is the Airbus A380-800. Welcome to the A380. So on the 380 you have an extra camera, which is on the tailplane. So the choices for breakfast was mushroom omelette or stir-fried noodles. So I went for the stir-fried noodles. Well, here we are on our final approach for Bangkok. As you can see, we went through some cloud and we've picked up some water on the lens of the camera. Change the camera around to the front one, and that's our runway. I tell you what, man, we used all the runway there. Literally turning at the end. Well, Swavapumi Airport here in Bangkok is another long walk. Yeah, I'm knackered. Anywho, we've got to get through immigration, then get our bags, then find a taxi, and then an hour and a half drive. Yay. Well, we've made it through immigration, and I'm just having a look, because that's my taxi, and that's who I need to look for. So she's supposed to be coming picking me up any minute now. So we've just been dropped off at the end of Emma's dad's street, or soy, and we're going to surprise him because it's his 70th birthday and he doesn't know we're coming. There's Mickey and Minnie and Shimmer. The dog's barking. Oh, nearly been spotted. Surprise! So we've made it, and this is home for the next 2 weeks. Whoop whoop chicken soup. Hey! And you know what? Just because I can, I think I'm going to go in the pool. Why not, eh? Hey! Welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Hit the like button, subscribe. You know, it makes sense. Now go do your job.